Hello friends, this is Dr. Vijay Kumar. I am welcoming you all in my lecture on the topic History of Genetics Part 3. All my lectures are available in both English and Hindi language. Go to my channel or description of this video for getting proper links. In the last two videos, I have discussed work related to famous workers in the genetics field and work done till year 1916. In this video, I will discuss important genetic work in between year 1917 to 1946. The rest of the works will be discussed in the next three videos. In between year 1917 to 1923, C.B. Bridge proposed genetic balance theory of sex determination and chromosomal abnormalities. There are several chromosomal abnormalities, for example, deletion, duplication, inversion, substitution, and translocation. All these chromosomal aberrations or abnormalities were proposed by C.B. Bridge. In the year between 1918 to 1926, Muller formulated the chief principles of the spontaneous gene mutation as point effects of ultramicroscopic physicochemical accidents. He induced such changes using X-rays. In the year 1919, Levin identified different components of DNA, for example, bases, sugar, and phosphate groups. He called each of these units a nucleotide and suggested that the DNA molecule consisted of nucleotide linked together through the phosphate group. In the year 1920, Winkler gave the concept of genome. Genome is a word, actually it's combination of two words, gene and chromosome. In 1921, Wright gave concept of genetic drift, path coefficient analysis, and inbreeding coefficient. The concept of genetic drift was already discussed by me in population genetics portion, so you can go to that section of the my channel and you can get the explanation of genetic drift. The other two topics, path coefficient analysis and inbreeding coefficient analysis, will be discussed in unit 3 of the undergraduate course, so wait for these two topics. In the year 1924, Levitsky gave concept of karyotype, and karyotype is photographic presentation of chromosomes. In 1925, Bernstein described the concept of multiple alleles in blood group. In the year between 1925 to 1927, Muller showed that X-ray induced mutation in a dose-dependent fashion. In the year 1926, Khara and Ono gave concepts of holopolyploid and autopolyploid. These holopolyploid and autopolyploids are types of chromosomal abnormality in their numbers. In the year 1926, Vogt gave concept of expressivity and penetrance. In the year 1927, Longsley gave concept of supernumerary chromosome. It means extra chromosome in the genome, and this concept was given by Longsley in the year 1927. In the year 1928, Griffith showed that some component of heat-killed virulent bacteria can transform a non-virulent strain to become virulent. In the year 1928, Hedge gave concept of heterochromatin, and heterochromatin is tightly packed form of DNA. In 1931, crossing over is identified as the cause of recombination, as shown in corn by Harriet Kingston and Barbara McClintock. In the year 1931, Muller gave concept of dosage combination, and dosage combination is equalization of expression from the X chromosome between male, in which only one X chromosome is present, and in female, in which two X chromosomes are present. In 1932, Bridge gave concept of map distance, and map distance is measured in centimorgan. It is distance between two loci of particular genes. In year 1933, Jean Beckett showed that the DNA is found in chromosome and that the RNA is present in the cytoplasm of all cells. In the year 1934, McClintock gave concept of nuclear organizer. In the year 1934, Bridge gave concept of test cross. Test cross is crossing between unknown genotype with homozygous recessive genotype to know the genotype of unknown individuals. I am repeating it again. Test cross is crossing of unknown genotype with homozygous recessive genotype to know an unknown individual's genotype. In the year 1935, Goldsmith gave concept of phenocopy, and phenocopy is variation in phenotype caused by environmental conditions. In year 1936, Schrader gave the concept of kinetochore, and kinetochore is a special protein associated with centromere. In the year 1937, Demarek gave concept of mutator gene. In the year 1938, Anderson and Hubbard gave the concept of introgression, and introgression is transfer of genetic material from one species to another species. In the year 1939, Darlington studied telocentric chromosome, and telocentric chromosomes are those chromosomes in which centromere is present on near one end of the chromosome. In the year 1940, Ford studied genetic polymorphism, and genetic polymorphism is a condition where difference of genetic sequence among individuals in a population. We generally observed difference of DNA sequence among individuals in a population. In the year 1940, Muller studied telomere. In the year 1940, Landsteiner and Wiener discovered the Rh factor. In the year 1941, Biddle and Tatum described that one gene encodes one protein. In the year 1942, Luss coined the term heritability, and explanation of heritability is already present in population genetics section. A student may see the explanation, the complete explanation of related to heritability in that section. So for more clarification, you can go to the population genetics section of my channel to access those videos. In the year 1942, Meyer gave the concept of founder effect. The concept of founder effect is also discussed in a particular section in population genetics. So if a student may go to the section related to population genetics for more explanation about the founder effect. In the year 1944, the Avery McLeod McCarty experiment isolated DNA as the genetic material. In the year 1945, White studied acrocentric chromosome. In the year 1946, Luss gave concept of selection differential. In the year 1946, Lederberg and Tatum showed that genetic material can be transferred laterally between bacterial cells. In the year 1946, Hull gave concept of overdominance. So this is all for this video, and thanks. I am thanking you all for watching my video. Thank you very much.